Good morning. Today is our last full day in Dubai, unfortunately, and we're gonna do a full day of cheating. We're gonna eat everything we want in Dubai, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're going down to the Marina right now to get breakfast, and we haven't decided yet. We might go to Expectation or to Bake My Day. We're gonna see when we arrive, so we're just gonna drive there right now. We made it to the Marina. We're now going up the escalators and we're going to Expectation. We've decided. And fun fact, if you park here at the beach parking and you spend 100 AED anywhere in the Marina, you can get 3 hours of free parking. We got a cafe mochaccino, and then for actual foods we got the s'mores French toast, which is stuffed with Nutella. McDonald's drive-through.
So I ordered 9 chicken nuggets for like under €3. That's crazy. In Belgium it's, I think, triple the price. Yeah, triple the price. Crazy.
So we had to get some gas and there's a McDonald's drive-through. So chicken nuggets it is. The drive-through in Dubai takes a long time. It's hot. We're sweating. It's 42 degrees.
Yeah.
The air conditioning works, but it's not that great.
But we have 9 nuggets incoming, so.
With barbecue sauce. My favorite sauce in the world.
So you ordered 9-piece nuggets, sir?
Yes. With barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. And barbecue sauce? Also, yes, thank you.
Just making sure that we have barbecue sauce, you know?
Yeah, because they always forgot it.
In Belgium, they always forget. Oh, we've got 9 nuggets and barbecue sauce. After all that good food, we decided to go to Pino's gym for an epic pull day. So we started the training off with a lats pull down to warm up our back. Next is a seated row, so we use this machine instead of the normal cable machine that I usually use, and this one is absolutely amazing. The third exercise is a single arm lat pull down, and we use this specific machine that makes you reach a bit more forward rather than right up above your head, and this connection was absolutely amazing. And then the last exercise is a bent over row with this machine instead of a dumbbell. And then we decided to get a healthy wrap at Pino's gym because we've had a lot of bad food. And then for dinner we actually went to Hookah, which is an amazing rooftop restaurant in the Dubai Mall with an epic view of the fountains. So I got gnocchi with a goat cheese sauce, and my boyfriend got a burger with waffle potato fries. And it was so delicious and the view was amazing. To end the night we got Krispy Kreme donuts. I got the original glazed, vanilla with pistachio, and then it's filled with custard. It's chocolate filled with custard. Let's try them. So basic but so delicious. And then this one is pistachio with vanilla. Here it has, I think it's pistachio filling. It's very good as well. And then the last one. There's no filling yet. Ah, there it is. Here you can see the custard filling. Okay, I think my favorite is the vanilla with pistachio, because you can't find it anywhere. It's the first time I see it. So I'm gonna have these as the last thing of the night. My belly is full with food. So I'm just gonna enjoy these, and that was my full day of cheating in Dubai.